A quick review of the Win 6502 belt and disc sander. Hola woodworkers, Paul Carlson here, small workshop guy. As a novice, not a professional cabinet builder or anything, just a novice playing around with building furniture and stuff, I really take pride in my small workshop, and I want to have most of the power tools that help me be successful. So I thought a belt sander was a good addition. I got this one probably 2 years ago from Amazon, from Wen, W-E-N. It's a model 6502. It's a 4-inch wide belt by how long? 36-inch wide circumference. And it's got a 6-inch disc sander on it. So what do I like about it and what don't I like about it? Well, it works. It certainly works easily. It's got a nice little port here for dust collection, although this stuff, all the dust is up here, so you're not going to totally remove dust collection unless you encase it. It's effective. If you get one, or if you get any kind of a belt sander, you might want to get one of these big old erasers. These are very handy for getting the grit, cleaned up. Let me demonstrate. So, there'll be a link for that down below in my Amazon affiliate links. These are effective, they're good. I can't recommend this one. It doesn't bog down very much. It was easy to assemble. They had good instructions for that. All of that I like. Standard size port for my shop vac. Everything seemed to be good. It's got a nice little tracking device here, although it's a little plastic handle. Why would I not get this one again? Why would I try something else? And this is true of a couple of devices that I've gotten from Wen. Let me unplug it here. Don't like moving things around when they're plugged in. So here's my problem with it. There's a little handle here that is to give you the ability to turn this platform at different angles depending on what you might want. 99% of the time you'd like it to be square or 90 degrees. So I set it at 90 degrees. I try to work hard to get it that way. I lock this down. Maybe it's me, an old dude with not much strength left in his hands, and I tie this down as best as I can, and then I put a piece of wood on here and I start to work away, and it doesn't take much. Of course now it will. Boom. This is a piece of crap here, this that little handle that holds it at the angle, and so I'm constantly struggling with loosening that up and stuff. I think it's just the fact that it's plastic and it's slippery, and so it won't hold it. So for that reason and that reason alone, I would not recommend this machine. I guess you could maybe replace it. I probably ought to do that. Look at how I could put a different one on there. So if I bought it, I probably ought to fix it. But I'd like things to come in good shape. I guess I could find a different one to hold up. And there's always a possibility that I assembled it wrong. But this was somewhere in the $130 category, $135, $137. I see Grizzly has one, and I tend to like the Grizzly little benchtop power tools, and so I think if I would do it over again, I would get the Grizzly. So that's my review of this little small workshop belt sander. Very, very handy device to have in the workshop. Highly recommend it, but maybe try a different brand. Small workshop guy, hoping you'll be safe in your workshop. Have a nice day.